In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to add room tags in your floor plans using Revit. Let's go ahead and get started. I already have a floor plan here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything in the drawing. Up on your Modify tab, there's a ribbon button here called Filter. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can see all the items selected are listed here. I'm going to check none of it and go back down and look for rooms. Highlight that or check on the box and hit OK. You can see that only the rooms are now highlighted. We're going to go ahead and look for the Annotate tab. Click on it, and then on the ribbon toolbar there's a Tag All selection. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. You can see that there are no room tags selected or included in this project, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel. What I'll do then now is go into Insert, load a family, and the default folder should be at US Imperial or US Metric depending on what software you're using. In this case I'm using US Imperial, and the first folder shown as Annotations. I'm going to go ahead and select that and scroll down to where you can see or find room tag. This is a generic room tag and not specific to any project. Once I've selected that, click Open. This will load the family onto this file. So let's go back to step 1. I'm going to highlight everything, hit Filter, deselect everything, look for rooms, highlight it, check the box, and hit OK. Once all the rooms are highlighted, look for the Annotate tab, click on Tag All again, and now you can see that the room tags or room tag is now available for this project. Once you've selected room tags, click OK. As you can see, all the tags are now included in the floor plan. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you so much.